Hello students, this is what the student view for your Canvas page should look like. You'll see that the section number is right here at the top. This is English 101 17731. This is for Professor Lucero's Saturday 9 a.m. class. So I wanted to create this video to show you how to access modules here on Canvas. I did ask you to view the video for a different course, which is very similar, but if you haven't had a chance to see that, if you look right here on your left side panel, this is where everything is going to be located. When you click home, it takes you to this same page, the assignments page. If you click announcements, it will take you to all of the announcements that I've made over the past few days. Assignments is going to again take you to what you see on your home page. When you hit discussions, you will see the discussion post A here down at the bottom. This is the one that everyone was supposed to respond to by Friday. Underneath that, we have grades. As this is the only assignment that's been assigned, it's not due till April 10th, so it's going to say NA for now. When we go to people, we'll see the list of students in the class. When we go to pages, you will see the page that comes from the module. When you go to files, you will see all of the files that have been uploaded for this course so far. And finally, we have modules. Module 1 has all of the information necessary to complete the diagnostic essay number 1. This is what we call pages. See how the little word page pops up? This is a little symbol that means it's just a list of information. Here we have read me first, agenda April 4th through April 11th. Read this entire page, take a look at the PowerPoint located next in the modules and in files under Unit 1, read the prompt, read the article titled College Graduates Farewell, Even Through Recession. This module is for Unit 1, Diagnostic Essay number 1. Please take a look at this week's agenda to get an idea of what we are going to accomplish this week. How to navigate Canvas video coming soon. This will be turned into a link. So agenda. This past Saturday was April 4th. This is where Diagnostic Essay number 1 was assigned, and then begin reading the article College Graduates Farewell, Even Through Recession. Sunday, April 5th, continue working on essay number 1. Monday, April 6th, continue working on essay number 1. Tuesday, April 7th, continue working on essay 1. Wednesday, you see that a new assignment will be added. This will be called discussion post number 1. It will be assigned on Wednesday and it will be due Saturday, April 11th. This is going to be a very brief discussion that just talks to you about the diagnostic essay. Thursday, continue working on the essay. And then again, Friday, you have diagnostic essay number 1 due at 11:59 p.m. Discussion post number 1, here's just another reminder that it will be due Saturday, April 11th. So you can choose to either go back to modules like this and open the second item in the list, or if you stay on the first item in the list, you can scroll down to the bottom right down here and press next, and it will take you to the next item in the list. So here you see English 101 Diagnostic. This is a PowerPoint. I did mention in pages that PPTX, and in the announcement, this means PowerPoint presentation. So here we have Unit 1 Diagnostic Essay number 1 for English 101. We have a guide to the PowerPoint, introduce diagnostic essays, assign the essay, introduce the reading, what the due date is. Then we have an introduction of what diagnostic essays are, just so you have a more clear understanding of why we do diagnostic essays. Let's take a look at this in full screen. We also have assign essay number 1. This is the diagnostic, so it says, read the article titled College Graduates Farewell, Even Through Recession by author Catherine Rampel. Rampel asks her readers a question: is college worth it? She then goes on to explain why she believes a college education is worth the cost. Do you agree or disagree with the author's argument? The guidelines are written here. Read the article and write a 5-paragraph thesis-driven essay in MLA format. Your thesis should answer whether you agree or disagree with the author's main argument and why. Your body should support your thesis. This essay should be at least 2 complete pages typed and double-spaced in MLA format. Introduce the reading. To answer essay number 1, you will be reading College Graduates Farewell, Even Through Recession by Catherine Rampel. You can find this file under Files, Unit 1 Diagnostic Essay, or you can find it here in the module. This assignment is due Friday, April 10th at 11:59 via Canvas. If you do not know how to submit assignments to Canvas, it actually is at the end of this PowerPoint presentation. Frequently asked questions. Will my previous work from Lucero's class count? I'm still working on getting those grades. We are trying our hardest to get everything back for you. When is essay number 1 due? Essay number 1 is due Friday, April 10th. How can I turn things in? You can watch this video, or you can take a look at the slides at the end of this PowerPoint. What are modules? Modules are just files in Canvas that contain all of the necessary information needed for each unit. The Navigating Canvas video that you're currently watching is going to help you with this. So submitting via Canvas step by step. If you've already done this, that's fantastic. If you have not done this in class yet, here is a short little tutorial. Now you see up here it says student sample Canvas page. This is because it comes from a random class, so yours doesn't necessarily look like this exactly, but as long as you hit home, you will see an upcoming assignments list. Yours is going to say something like Essay 1 Diagnostic. So you tap on this and it takes you to a screen that looks like this. You would hit Submit Assignment here in the top right corner. A small window will pop up that asks you to choose a file. You tap that and then you get a page that looks like this. We all have different computers, but generally some type of pop-up window will ask you to select one of the files that are currently either in your computer, on your desktop, or wherever it is that you hold your files. Once you select it, you will click Submit Assignment down here at the bottom. Submit by the due date. Most submissions are 11:59 p.m., but aim for 11:58 because 11:59:01 will show as late. I will not mark it as late, but it will show as late to you, so I don't want you to panic and think that you turned in your assignment late. That's just how the system works. So let's move on to the next section of our module. Here you will see the actual assignment. Let's pop this open too. So here we have Unit 1, Essay 1, Diagnostic Essay. This is the same information from the PowerPoint, just in a little more detail. So you have your prompt up here, and then you have your guidelines down here. So let's start with Guideline 1. Read the article by Catherine Rampel and write a 5-paragraph thesis-driven essay. Your thesis should answer whether you agree or disagree with the author's main claim and why. Your body should help support your thesis using evidence, personal experience, quotes, etc. Consider using different kinds of evidence to make your argument stronger. Your conclusion should tie up your main point without repeating your thesis. And again, this essay should be at least 2 completed pages, typed and double-spaced in MLA. Let's move on to the next file in the module. Here you will see the actual article. Let's open this up as well. Catherine Rampel, College Graduates Farewell, Even Through Recession. This article is only about 2.5 pages long, so we can see that it actually ends right here. Don't worry about this close reading question. We are not going to answer this question. Next. This is the submission for the assignment. So again, I put the information from the prompt here. Here you would click on Submit Assignment. As you can see, it's due by Friday at 11:59 p.m. So if we do hit Submit Assignment, we get that same window that pops up, and all of this information from your specific computer will pop up for you. And you would be able to click one of the files and then choose it and then submit it. Let's go back to our module. So as we can see, that was the last assignment. This is where you would actually submit the final version of your essay. Again, this diagnostic is for me to get a stronger feel of how you are as writers because I haven't had a chance to work with you this past semester. If you go back to home, you will see the upcoming assignments because that's all that has been assigned so far. You have a little to-do list right here on your right-hand side. This is really just a list of announcements and discussion posts and updates and stuff like that. So if you have any further questions, you're more than welcome to email me. Hopefully this helps you kind of navigate Canvas a little easier. So as you can see, I did add the helpful links pages here. You will see the online tutoring link here. You can see that there is a link coming up for how to use modules. I've added a how-to MLA documentation link here for you. I did make a note that this video is meant for my other courses, but it does show you how to structure your document in MLA if you are unfamiliar with MLA. Let's click on the elacwritingcenter.org website. As we can see, this takes us to their online website. You can actually access online tutoring from here. You can start online tutoring, you can make an appointment, you can even talk to somebody live. It says, welcome to live help, please continue to start chatting. You would enter your name here and your email here and press connect, and you would have direct access to somebody to help you navigate the Reading and Writing Center online resource. Consider using this for future essays as they can help you revise your work online. If we go to the How to MLA documentation video, it will take us to the YouTube page. Here you can see, let's look at it in full screen, MLA documentation. This video will explain to you step by step how to provide your header in the top left corner, your header in the top right corner, where to put your title, and how to indent your paragraphs and double space your essay. Next, you are going to center and add the title of your essay. Just for simplicity's sake, let's call it essay number 1. Indent, and you can begin writing your essay. Highlight everything, go up to this section right here. All computers obviously look different, but they generally have some type of arrow going up and arrow going down. You're going to select 2.0. That is what we call double spacing. As you can see, it is double spaced from top to bottom. You double click on the top right here, you will open up the header/footer. At the bottom is called the footer, at the top is called the header. You're going to tab all the way to the end over here, and you are going to type your last name. Oops, I guess we tapped a little too much. And then you are going to insert page number. You are going to select top of the page header, right side, and press OK, and you will have a 1 right here. Again, you can access this video from the pages titled Helpful Links.